Hey guys, check out this new bathroom shower caddy that I got from Amazon. It's gonna look like that when I put it together, but I'm actually going to use it on my countertop instead of in the shower because I need more storage space in my small bathroom. So let me put it together and I'm gonna show you how it looks. I want to point out first that it does come with all the hardware that you need. These are little hanging hooks for washcloths or whatever you might need to hang. It has the hardware. These are the feet. And then it has these safety hooks. So once it's put together, you can actually affix it to the wall if you want so that it won't have a chance of tipping over. Right away, I noticed that the instructions say to put the feet on the bottom of the basket through some holes that are pre-done. And then a pole goes on it. I'm going to show you a little trick. Just go ahead and put your double-sided screws into your feet like this. While I'm here, I want to point out that the feet have adjustable bottoms so that if you're putting this in a shower with tile floor and maybe where the foot happens to end up is a little bit uneven, you can adjust each one individually. That's a really cool feature. And then you just put it into the hole here and into one of the poles. They all have pre-done connectors. So the rest of this should go pretty easy, but I was trying to hold the basket and the screw and the foot, and it's just easier to do it this way. Okay, all the feet are on there. The two inside feet are going to go on with these hex screws, and you've got the hex tool to tighten those down. So let's go with the next layer. I wanted to show you the size of it, okay? So your length is going to be 9 inches this way and about 4.5, almost 5 this way. So check out your counter or your shower floor or wherever you're going to put it and make sure it'll fit for you. I couldn't stand it. I had to go ahead and put it in here. I won't show you the rest of the mess of the bathroom, but they're jewelry hooks. How perfect is that? So I've got a lot of work to do in this bathroom, but I really like this stand.